Hello students, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to start perimeter of square. As you can see, this is a square. So formula of perimeter of square will be 4 into side. There are 4 sides, so we'll multiply with 4 and we'll get the formula 4 into side. So here in the question it is given, find the perimeter of a square whose side is this, A number. So we'll do A number first. Perimeter of square. The formula will be 4 into side. 4 into 7.6 centimeter. Then we will multiply this and then after multiplying we'll get 30.4 centimeter. Okay. Now B number. Now B number. It's 18 hole 2 by 3 meter. It's 18 hole 2 by 3 meter. Now perimeter of square 4 into side. 4 into 18 hole 2 by 3 meter. We will change this mixed fraction into improper fraction like this. 18 into 3, 54, then plus 2, 56. So what will come? 56 by 3. The denominator will be same. Now there is no calculation. Okay, 4 into 56. We have to multiply this. क्योंकि ये ऊपर नीचे नहीं कट रहा है, तो हम लोग को ऊपर में इसको इंटू कर देंगे. जो ऊपर में रहेगा ऊपर इंटू हो जाएगा, जो नीचे रहेगा नीचे हो जाएगा. ऊपर में 4 into 56 equals to 224. As you can see here, 56 into 4, 224. Now denominator यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, तो 3 यहाँ आ जाएगा. Then this is improper fraction. We will change this into mixed fraction again, like this. 224. 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 3 7s are 21. 2 में 1 गया 1. 4 उतारेंगे. 3 4s are 12. 4 में 2 गया 2. तो 74 जो क्वोशंट है वो यहाँ लिखेंगे. जो रिमाइंडर है वो ऊपर जाएगा. डिनोमिनेटर विल बी सेम. Your answer is 74 whole 2 by 3 meter. Okay. Now next C number. It's 13 meter 75 centimeter. C number. Perimeter of square 4 into side. We'll put this 4 into 13 meter 75 centimeter. Now इसको हमको एक यूनिट में लेके आना है, तो we'll change it into centimeter like this. 13 meter into 100 equal to 1300 plus 75, 1375. अभी इसको 4 से इंटू करेंगे, then we'll get this. See. Now after changing it into meter, we'll get 55 meter. I will show you how can we change. 100 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 100 5s are 500. 50 रिमाइंडर, नॉट रिमाइंडर, 50 बचा. फिर 0 उतारेंगे. फिर 100 5s are 500. ऐसे आया 55 मीटर. Now D number. It's 23.05 centimeter. Side is given. We have to find out perimeter of square. So perimeter of square equal to 4 into side, as you know. Now 4 into 23.05 centimeter. We'll multiply it and we'll get this 92.20. This is how we'll multiply it. This is in centimeter. Now question number 3. Find the perimeter of a triangle whose sides are 6.3 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 4.7 centimeter. So this is our triangle A, B, C. 3 sides are there. The formula will be perimeter of triangle. Formula will be sum of its 3 sides. और a plus B plus C. Now, perimeter of triangle equal to sum of its sides. Perimeter of triangle equal to sum of its sides. We will put all the sides. 6.3 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 4.7 centimeter. Now we will add this. This is how we will add. See here, 6.3, 6.3, then 5, 4.7. Now we'll add this. 7 plus 3, 10, then 1 carry, not carry, forward, 7, and now 16. 16 centimeter. Now see question number 4. The length of a rectangular field is 3 times its breadth. If the breadth of the rectangle is 3 whole 1 by 2 meter, find the perimeter of the rectangle. Here, length of rectangular field is 3 times its breadth. If the breadth of the rectangle is this, then length will be its 3 times. Then we have to find out the perimeter of rectangle. Okay. So we will write whatever is given in the sum. First we'll write that the breadth of rectangular field. Breadth of rectangular field equal to B equal to 3 whole 1 by 2 meter 7 by 2 meter. It is given. Now length of rectangular field is 3 times of this measurement. So 3 into 7 by 2. Okay, 3 into 7 by 2 meter. We'll get 21 by 2 meter. Now we have to find out the perimeter of rectangular field. Now you know the formula of perimeter. So 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 here, length is 21 by 2. It is here, and breadth is 7 by 2. It is given here. So we'll add this. Both are the like terms. Denominators are same. So here we'll take 2. 21 plus 7 will get 28 by 2. Now 2 into 28 by 2. 2 कट गया, बचा 28 मीटर. इस तरह से ये आंसर है. Now 3 whole 1 by 2 को कैसे चेंज करना है? 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 by 2. Now 5 number, the breadth of a rectangular garden is 6 meter less than its length. If the length of the garden is 30 meter, find the perimeter of the garden. इसमें क्या बोल रहा है कि breadth of rectangular garden 6 मीटर कम है, लेस है लेंथ से. जो भी लेंथ है उससे 6 मीटर लेस है. तो इफ़ द लेंथ ऑफ द गार्डन इज 30 मीटर, 30 मीटर दिया हुआ है लेंथ, तो ब्रेड क्या है? 6 मीटर लेस है. तो फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ गार्डन. सो तो लेंथ ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर गार्डन दिया है 30 मीटर. ब्रेड ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर गार्डन क्या बनेगा? क्योंकि वो 6 मीटर लेस है तो हम लोग माइनस कर देंगे, तो विल गेट 24 मीटर. अभी पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर गार्डन का फॉर्मूला बैठाएंगे, 2 इंटू लेंथ प्लस ब्रेड. ये सब आपको मालूम ही है क्या फॉर्मूला है. लेंथ 30 मीटर, ब्रेड 24 मीटर. इसको ऐड किया, विल गेट 54. फिर इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया, विल गेट 108 मीटर. So this is your answer. Perimeter of the garden is 108 meter. Now see 6 number. The length of a square field is 35 meter. What distance will a man walk in going around it 3 times? इसका मतलब है एक स्क्वायर फील्ड है. सपोज एक स्क्वायर फील्ड है, उसका लेंथ यानी कि साइड है 35 मीटर. वॉट डिस्टेंस विल अ मैन इन गोइंग अराउंड 3 टाइम्स? एक मैन है जो इसको 3 टाइम्स जाएगा. 1 2 3, 3 बार इसके चक्कर काटेगा. तो अगर हम लोग पेरीमीटर निकाल लेंगे स्क्वायर का, फिर उसको 3 से इंटू कर देंगे, तो हम लोग को निकल जाएगा कि मैन कितना चला। तो फॉर दिस सबसे पहले लेंथ ऑफ स्क्वायर फील्ड 35 मीटर, लेंथ मतलब यहाँ पे साइड है। पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर फील्ड क्या है, 4 इंटू साइड, फॉर्मूला यू नो, 4 इंटू 35 विल गेट 140 मीटर। फिर अ मैन walks in going around it 3 times. So we will multiply this 3 into 140, will get 420 meter. So your answer will be man walks a distance of 420 meter. Understood? Now see 7 number. Sonu bought a tablecloth 2.25 meter long and 1.75 meter wide. So this is length, this is breadth. She wanted to put lace around it. How many meters of lace would she have to buy? Also find how much would the lace cost if it cost rupees 14.50 per meter. 3 questions are there in one sum, so we will solve one by one. So length of tablecloth, it is given. Breadth of tablecloth is also given. First we will find out perimeter of tablecloth. Perimeter of tablecloth, as you know the formula, 2 into length plus breadth. It's a rectangular tablecloth because length is given and breadth is given. Now we'll add this. You can add like this: 2.25 plus 1.75. Now we'll add, we'll get 4. So here 4 meter. 0 are not necessary. The 2 4s are 8 meter. Okay. Here multiplication is also given here. You can see 8 meter cloth. So perimeter of tablecloth is 8 meter. Perimeter of tablecloth is 8 meter. Now length of lace is equal to perimeter of tablecloth because it is given that she wanted to put lace around it. So whatever will be the perimeter, it will be the perimeter of lace. So it is equal to 8 meter. Now cost of 1 meter lace is rupees 14.50. It is given in the sum. Now cost of 8 meter lace is 14.50 into 8. Now we will multiply this. You can see here multiplication. 8 zeros are 0, 8 5s are 40, 4, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 4, 36, 3, 8 1s are 8 plus 3, 11. Okay. Now rupees 116. So total cost of lace is rupees 116. So she should buy 8 meter of lace and total cost of lace is rupees 116. Now see 8 number. Akash covers a distance of 48 meter while going round a square field twice. Find the side of the square. How much wire will be needed for fencing around once? Find the cost of the wire. If 1 meter costs rupees 1.175 paisa. So distance covered by Akash twice. What it is given in the question, 48 meter. This is the distance covered by Akash twice. Okay. Now he covered distance of square field once. एक बार, ये तो 2 बार का डिस्टेंस है. अगर वो एक बार जाता है स्क्वायर फील्ड में तो हम लोग को उसको 2 से डिवाइड करना होता है. तो 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 24 मीटर मिल जाएगा. तो एक बार का डिस्टेंस है 24 मीटर, यानी कि स्क्वायर फील्ड वो पूरा जाता है 24 मीटर एक बार. सो पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर क्या हुआ 24 मीटर। उसके बाद क्वेश्चन में पूछ रहा है कि साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर निकालो, तो साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर विल बी पेरीमीटर बाई 4, पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर बाई 4। सो पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर 24 मीटर है बाई 4, फिर इसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो 6 मीटर निकलेगा। अभी पूछ रहा है कॉस्ट। सो कॉस्ट ऑफ 1 मीटर वायर इज इक्वल टू ₹175 पैसा। तो हम लोग को निकालना है कॉस्ट ऑफ 24 मीटर वायर, क्योंकि उसमें फेंसिंग करने बोला है। फेंसिंग माने चारों तरफ, फेंसिंग माने इसके चारों तरफ बाउंड्री लगाना, स्क्वायर फील्ड के चारों तरफ बाउंड्री लगाना। फेंसिंग पूछेगा, इसका मतलब आपको पेरीमीटर निकालना है, पेरीमीटर से रिलेटेड है। तो कॉस्ट ऑफ 24 मीटर वायर इक्वल टू, इसको इनटू कर देंगे तो सी द मल्टीप्लाई, 4 5 20, 2 4 6 4 7 28, नाउ 30 4 5 7 10, ओके। नाउ 0 0 2 यहाँ पे 4 42, तो आंसर विल बी ₹42। Now see, the side of square 6 meter, wire needed for fencing around once 24 meter. The cost of wire will be ₹42. So 17A exercise is finished. Now we will do 17B.